In this video, I want to show you how to troubleshoot your TEEHO electronic door lock if it's not working properly. Okay, so if your lock is not working, maybe the keypad is not responding or it keeps flashing red when you try to lock it. In this video, I'm going to show you what you can try to resolve this problem. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to check and replace the batteries. Okay, and this should help fix the problem. But if that doesn't help, the next thing we want to do is to reset this lock and reprogram it. Okay, and that should help fix the problem. Okay, so to reset this lock, the first step is to go to the interior assembly. Okay, the next step is to remove the battery cover. Here's the battery cover right here. Slide the cover up and remove it. Okay, so next you want to take out one battery. So get one battery out. All right. Okay, now you want to get a pin. Okay, you want to get a pin or a pen. Okay, and there's a pin hole right here, and this is the reset hole. Okay, so what we want to do is to insert this pin inside and press and hold it. Okay, so let's go. Get it in. Okay, press and hold it. Now get the battery back in. Keep holding. Okay, so you're gonna see the bolt extend. Okay, and you're also gonna hear a long beep, meaning the reset is complete. Okay, and get a battery cover, replace it. Okay, so what we're gonna do next is to change the default master code. The default master code is 12345678. This code can be used to program your lock, and you can also use this code to unlock your door from the outside. Okay, let me show you how it works. Press and hold any button to lock. Okay, so you can see it's locked. And to unlock, let's enter the default master code. Hit this button. Okay, so you can see the default master code can unlock your door, so you need to change this code. Okay, so to change it, the first step is to hit this button twice. Okay, now enter the master code. That's the one you want to change. Hit this button and now press 1. Okay, enter your new master code, 4 to 10 digits. Okay, so mine here is going to be 553322. Hit this button. Enter the code again. Hit this button. Okay, you're gonna hear a long beep and see a green flash here, meaning the code has been changed. Okay, so your new master code is now active, and that's what we're gonna use to program the lock. And if you want to unlock your door from the outside, you can also use the new master code. Okay, so let's test it. Press and hold any key to lock. Okay, so let's unlock it with the new master code. Enter the code. Hit this button. Okay, so that's how it works. And you can also set user codes. A user code for this lock is a 4 to 10 digit code that you can also use to unlock your door from the outside. And this lock allows you to add up to 20 user codes, and you can share them with anyone you want to give access to your home. Okay, so to add a user code, the first step is to hit this button twice. Okay, now enter your master code. Hit this button. Okay, now you want to press 2. Okay, enter your new user code, 4 to 10 digits. Okay, so mine here is going to be 1122. Hit this button. Enter the code again. Hit this button. Okay, the code has been added. Let's test it. Press and hold any key to lock. Okay, to unlock, let's enter the new user code. Hit this button. Okay, so that's how it works. That's how to troubleshoot this lock if it's not working properly. All you want to do is to reset it and reprogram it. Okay, so that's it. And if this video helps you, please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this.